Ndị be anyị ekeneni m unu n'ụbọchị nke taa. Anyị sị na ya dịrị ndị Igbo na mma. Dịka o si dị, ihe a bụ Igbo Media ka anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ nnukwu ozi dị oke mkpa gbasata maka ana Igbo and Igbo community and ihe debe na Nigeria. Ya bụ ife ka anyị na-ewetara unu na Igbo Media. Dịka isi wee na-esonye anyị, ọ bụ na nke a bụ ụbọchị izizi gị ị na-abịa n'ilu akwụkwọ na Igbo Media, kabaru ka subscribe and turn on your notification ka ị lapụ miss any of our update dịka anyị na-etikwu ya n'ilu akwụkwọ kwa mgbe. Dịka o si dị, o nwere ya wetara n'ụbọchị nke taa gbasata maka ka ya bụ ife si ada and gbasata maka ka ya bụ ife si akpọtụ n'ala Igbo. Biko mma achọ ka ige ya bụ ife. Ihe a bụ ihe BIAFRA Chief of Staff bụ Ngozi Orabueze kwuru n'ilu akwụkwọ gbasata maka ka o si ada na Finland and gbasata maka Biafran Prime Minister Maazị Simon Ekpa. So igecha ya bụ ife idropụra ife iche n'ilu akwụkwọ gbasata maka ihe bụ ife ndị a niile okwu. Alright, over to you.
Every single Biafran today and friends of Biafran that gathered here today, we are doing exactly the same thing that our leader nnamdi Kanu and our Prime Minister Simon Ekpa has done, is doing, will be doing the same thing. Nothing will change until the United States of Biafra is devoid of any invading army like the Nigerian army. We've already given them instruction to leave our land. The United States of Biafra is an independent nation. We declared our independence in Latin Finland.
Hello my fellow Biafrans, welcome back to nnamdi official YouTube channel. If it is the first time coming to my video, kindly subscribe to this channel so that anytime I do video, you'll be the first person to see it. And do not forget to like, share and drop your opinion in the comment section. My brother, my sister, it don't happen again. No. It don't happen. So if you not listening to what Dr. Ngozi Orabueze said yesterday during her this thing yesterday, make me just gather here and listen to her and see what he talk in this video, because she talk a lot of things concerning Nigeria government and the Biafran government. So make me just calm down and listen to her. If you know, say for those of now where they talk say Dr. Ngozi Orabueze know they work, she know they do this, she don't do that. My brother, calm down and listen to this video. You will understand that Dr. Ngozi Orabueze is working. It's not like Ogenkere, it's not like Sona Akparawa, but Dr. Ngozi Orabueze is working. If you look her movement, you will know say this woman is working. So stay tuned and watch the video. On love.
Every single Biafran today and friends of Biafran that gathered here today, we are doing exactly the same thing that our leader nnamdi Kanu and our Prime Minister Simon Ekpa has done, is doing, will be doing the same thing. Nothing will change until the United States of Biafra is devoid of any invading army like the Nigerian army. We've already given them instruction to leave our land. The United States of Biafra is an independent nation. We declared our independence in Latin Finland, November 29th, 2024. We've met all the requirements of a free nation, which is what we are right now. And we are going to protect our people. We will continue to protect our land from any foreign invaders. I want to also use this opportunity to appreciate and remember the Biafra Defense Forces, the Biafra Liberation Army, our Navy and our Air Force, what they do protect our motherland. I thank them for what they do every day. Biafrans are going home. Biafrans scattered all over the world. Now run away from the reintegrated terrorists of the Nigerian state. We've made our decision. We have to go home and build our country, which is going to be one of the best countries in the world, the United States of Biafra. The standard we are bringing into our country is going to make the world a better place. Unlike the Nigerian state now, where you have thousands of people being killed by the day, every day, and is not doing anything about that. Rather, they are flying, perambulating from one country to the other, looking for countries that will sign contracts with them to start milking the oil that comes from our land, the mineral resources that come from the Biafra territory, which are they sold and sold even to second, third generations yet unborn. That is what they do. And I pity any country that wants to go into any bilateral or economic agreement with that entity called Nigeria. You're not going to lose your reputation. You're going to lose your money. You're going to lose everything you are going to put inside that entity. Because the resources come from the Biafra territory, from our region, of which you will never get it. Because we have decided we are going to use those resources to make lives better for our people. It's a commitment. I want to use this opportunity to thank all the British secretaries, all the United States of Biafra secretaries and the cabinet members that are working day and night to make our nation the best in the world. I want to also use this opportunity to let them know that what they are doing is recognized. I thank all the 40 state governors and their executives. I thank all the commanders on ground doing the needful every day. I thank all the different ambassadors and the experts working in different parts of the countries of the world. Thank you so much for what you do. Today, you are going to hear some of our generals, some of our commanders in Homeland talk. We have given the Nigerian state the time to peacefully exit our land. That is what we expect them to do. That is what they must do, whether they like it or not. On this note, I want to recognize all the cabinet and secretary members that are present here. If you are present, please raise your hand and introduce yourself for like 1 or 2 minutes as we move into the main session of today's, which is the question and comment session from the United States of Biafra government to our people. Go ahead, Honorable Ulo. Unmute yourself.
Good evening, Honorable DPM. Good evening, Honorable Cabinet members. Good evening on all the commanders in the House today. I welcome all of you. My name is Ulo Bona. I am the Secretary of Employment, Labor, and Productivity. I welcome you all to this meeting. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Honorable Ulo. Let's go to Uduak. Honorable Uduak.
I welcome everyone. Good afternoon from here, my Honorable DPM COS. I appreciate all that you've done for Biafra. May God continue to strengthen you and empower you. I want to honor all the honorables in the House, the governors, all citizens of Biafra, and even our friends and neighbors that are here to listen to us. I want to appreciate you, and I welcome everyone. My name is Utua Princess Udua, and I'm the Secretary for Community and Social Services. It's a pleasure serving my nation, Biafra. God bless.
Thank you so much. Let's go to Honorable Honorable SOS. Go ahead.
Thank you very much, wonderful people of Biafra. First and foremost, may I appreciate your Highness, Your Excellency, Dr. Ngozi Arabeze, the Deputy Prime Minister of Biafra. You are a great woman, you are very resilient, and you are doing a very great job. Keep moving, and the Lord is with you. Thank you very much, and I'm also extending my greeting to all the honorable cabinet members, secretaries. I greet all of you from A to Z. This evening, I greet all of you. And the honorable, what can I call them, the state governors, the commanders, and the other representatives that are here with us this evening. I appreciate all of you, and I say, may Chukwuoke Abiyama continue to guide us in the right direction. He said, I am the Secretary of State of Biafra, Engineer Christian Ifeanyi. So, may Chukwuoke Abiyama continue to guide us. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, SOS. Let's go to Reverend Ebenezer, please.
All protocols observed. Thank you so much, my DPM. I know that it's a purpose for what we're doing. God has authorized this nation to exist, and there is no one or any nation that will stop it. We know that our dear Prime Minister Ebanjoko will come out, no matter what they do. We will stand and do what we have to do to establish this nation, because God has stamped it to be a nation for all that is in that part of the world. I'm the Secretary of Housing, Urban Development, and Infrastructure. I know for a fact, having been here in America for so long, I'm ready to go home and develop our nation. We will have the best organized nation in the world. We'll have the most beautiful nation in the world. And we will have the most natural environment in the world. So you all be ready to take charge. All the folks at home, the governors back home, and all the army and the forces that are there, stand firm, because God has brought this nation for us. Stay strong, and we'll do great things as we go forward. God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Education Secretary. Ekpa, go ahead, please.
Good evening, my DPM. My name is Emma. Evening, my Honorable Secretary and deputies. Good evening, the governors. Good evening, our people on the ground, our angels. God bless all Biafrans, especially those who are online this evening. Tongozi, Opalenwe, the City of Education. And I promise you that the education in Biafran land will be best to know. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Let's go to Honorable Ferdinand.
Good evening, Her Excellency Dr. Ngozi Arabeze. Good evening, all the cabinet ministers, secretaries. Good evening, all our men of ground. It is a pleasure, all of us meeting this week from homeland here. I am Honorable Ferdinand, the Secretary of Agriculture and Natural Resources. And I pray that being one of the secretary, everybody will have food.
What is going on?
Ferdinand, we cannot hear you. I guess it's internet problem. You're breaking up.
Network problem. Network problem. Do I repeat myself, please?
Yes.
Hello?
The platform for your state?
Yeah, no, but I'm a full participant where I live, where I used to live in Greece.
Where you live. Okay, so are you in any of the official platforms for Biafra, either USB, either the Telegram or the WhatsApp? Are you in any of those platforms?
Yes, I'm in a platform of USB and Telegram, and also I'm also in the platform of my own rep in Greece. Also, yeah,
Okay.
I have in Greece, except in Paris. Yeah, I don't have anywhere here in Paris.
Okay, so you are in that one. Have you been participating in fundraising for the USB?
Oh yes.
Okay, so you have to reach out to the administrator or the governor of your state in either of those Telegram or WhatsApp platform. When you reach out to him or her, then he will be able to talk with you in the area of coordination between the state, the citizens, and the commanders that they have in the state, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, that
but I
is
don't know how to.
Hmm?
Yes, but I don't know how to reach to my governor. I mean, I don't have his contact. It's from this snippet that I even know his name is Organiru, Mas Organiru. But
Organiru Biafra, the one that talked from Enugu State.
Exactly. And I need his contact.
So if you're in those two platforms, the official platform of your state, you're going to see his name there as an admin.
I don't. DPM. I have, but the platform I am is the general USB platform, and the one I used to the one I have also in Greece.
Okay, so the general USB, is it the Telegram or the WhatsApp?
The Telegram.
Okay, I'm gonna drop the Enugu State official platform in the general one, and then once you see the link, you click on that, and it will take you to Enugu State. Okay, once you get in there, you're gonna see Organiru there. Then you can send him a private message on what you need. Okay.
Okay, Your Excellency. Thank you so much. We really appreciate your steadfastness. God bless you and more grace to you.
All right, thank you so much.
All right. DPM, this is it.
Yes.
DPM, this is it. We've come to the end.
Yes. Oh yeah. Thank you so much, everyone. And we've come to the end of this program. I think we didn't know it's gonna last this long. It was just supposed to be a Twitter space briefing by the Defense Secretary and the Deputy Defense. So I'll just give them Defense Secretary and Deputy 2 minutes to round up, and then we close this meeting. Please go ahead, the Deputy Defense and then the Defense Secretary, and then we will close this. Go unmute yourself, please.
Okay, thank you, DPM, and thank you, Biafrans. And tonight, we appreciate the fact that all Biafrans have here once again gathered to listen from our standpoint. We have been able to talk to Biafrans about the prevailing issues.
The recording has stopped. Oh, no. This meeting is being recorded.
Issues that have been around trending all over the social media, whereby our trusted and able generals expressed their concerns. And it also goes to underscore the importance of the democracy that we adopted. But we also highlighted the importance of chain of command. While we appreciate our freedom, we must also understand that freedom is not free. And we must all understand that there are limitations in what we do.
Anyame, we're not seeing your face.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah, it's better now. We're just seeing your mouth.
Okay, I'm sorry, Biafra. It wasn't intentional. It was the angle that I left my phone. That was the reason. But there's no need to go, back and forth. Once again, appreciate your attendance. Biafrans, our homeland, continue to stay safe, continue to support our government, and continue to support our men there who are working to keep you safe. There's no need to point fingers. There's no need to sell them out. May God continue to bless Biafrans. May God continue to bless Biafra. Please support our DPM, Agwai. Thank you, Biafrans, and good night.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Oyami. Let's go to the Defense Secretary. 2 minutes, please.
Thank you, Honorable DPM. Thank you for everything you do for Biafrans. Thank you, Biafrans. I guess you can see that we're able to demonstrate to you what has been trending. I also want to add to that, to what the Honorable Deputy Defense Secretary has just said. We are a nation now, and we're 40 states big, so we are fighting from every angle. Like DPM said, we have just one goal post. We have to aim the net. We have to hit inside the net, not on the net.
The net.
We have to hit inside the net, not on the net. So we have to score. So I know, because we're very big on basically security. It's very, very important to us. Okay, and when it comes to security, we also have people have to be mindful of things that can happen that can jeopardize your even position and our standing as a government. So security is a big issue for us, and we're going to be conducting or implementing the code of conduct to guide our young army, so that they can protect them and provide a way of behavior, basically, the way to act with the relationship between them and their governors, between them and fellow soldiers, and between them and the government. So it's very, very important, because this is a learning process.
Neno from Igbo Media, boy by Sune Utano Nyabozi, Dio Kempa, Bastabak Yemen and Nigeria, and the Menebedi teacher, na Eastern Region, and Uno Kosia Dana Finland, and the Biafran Prime Minister, KCGD, the update, and the Yabo Biafran declaration came in Finland, so Yelina Kaya, I know Telu Niwa Huko. Kifi Oliku Bastama Kayabo, Chief of Staff Gasi Niwa Huko, Yanebo Tagasiaka, and the new development on Biafra, of United States of Biafra. So Yabi Feka Isikai, Tiedo no Kono, Why Funchano den Kono Bastama Kayabi Fe, Guadadin and Kemesia no Munem.